So guys, I made a green screen video for this product promo. You can download this from the video description. So let's bring it to the timeline. Let's zoom in, move it to layer 2, then bring our pictures, move the playhead. So this will be our first page. Go to right side, cut out, check chroma key, click on the eyedropper, then select the green screen color, move the strength to like 11 to 12. Now bring our first picture to layer 1. Seems like we still have some green area. So select the promo clip, go to right side, increase the strength to like 40 or play with the value. Now move the playhead slowly. This is the end of first slide. So adjust the length of the clip. Move the playhead again for second slide. Then bring the second picture, suppose this one. But it's attaching with the first one. To remove this function, uncheck the magnet. Now move it. We have our second picture set up. Now just select the picture and position it. Or you can add some zoom in slow motion. Suppose we are done with placing our objects. Let's reduce the strength a little bit. Cut out, strength. Move the playhead so that we can see all the text areas. Now just add the text. So text, default text. Bring it. This will be the price tag. Position it. Change the color. Change the text style. You can see the font styles which used at the start of the video in video description. Now select the price tag. Then go to right side, animation. Select the in. Scroll down. Select zoom in. Then the out. Scroll down. Slide left. For the bag name, animation, in, select showing left, and out, same, slide left. For a special offer, animation, in, scroll down, slide up. Now we just need to adjust the text with the animation. So move the playhead slowly. We have our yellow circle. Move the tag. So price tag appear. We can also adjust the duration by going to animation and change this slider. Move the playhead again. So here we have our animation to slide left. So now adjust the length of the price tag. Now if we move the playhead again, here we have our animation. Same for the name tag. Move the playhead. Image going in. So move the text around here. Done with the name tag in. Now the out animation. Adjust the length. Done. Now repeat this process. Move the playhead, copy, paste, and we are done. And when we are end of the product promo, like this, as you can see, there is no slide animation at the end of the promo. So select the price tag and disable the out animation by clicking on here. Done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.